The power of zinc. How it fades age spots and boosts collagen naturally. Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I wish all of you good health. Let's start today's video. Introduction. Hey everyone. Today, we're diving into a little-known secret for youthful, glowing skin: zinc. This essential mineral plays a major role in reducing age spots and keeping your skin firm and healthy. If you're noticing brown, gray, or black patches on your face, hands, and arms, especially as you age, you're not alone. These age spots, often caused by sun exposure, are common among people over 50. While many turn to creams and treatments, there's a natural way to fade them from the inside out: zinc. Why do age spots appear? Age spots, also known as liver spots, are harmless but can be bothersome for those looking to maintain clear, youthful skin. These dark patches form due to melanin buildup, often triggered by UV exposure over time. While topical treatments may help, targeting the root cause is the key to long-term results. That's where zinc comes in. Zinc, the skin-boosting mineral. Zinc is a powerhouse mineral vital for overall health, impacting everything from immune function and brain activity to cell growth and reproduction. However, its most impressive benefit: skin health. Here's how zinc works wonders for your skin. Collagen production. Zinc plays a critical role in forming collagen, the protein responsible for firm, elastic skin. As we age, collagen levels drop, leading to wrinkles and uneven skin tone. Zinc helps slow down these signs of aging. UV protection. Zinc activates an enzyme that shields the skin from harmful UV rays, preventing sun damage and the formation of age spots. Melanin regulation. It helps control melanin production, reducing excess pigmentation that leads to dark spots. Are you getting enough zinc? Despite its importance, many people don't get enough zinc because the body doesn't store it, and factors like poor absorption can lead to deficiency. Vegetarians in particular may struggle to get adequate zinc, as the best sources include meat and shellfish. To maintain healthy skin, adults should aim for around 15 milligrams of zinc daily from foods like oysters, the richest source, beef and chicken, cashews and almonds, yogurt and cheese. If your diet lacks sufficient zinc, consider supplements, but be sure to pair them with vitamin C, copper, vitamin E, and CoQ10 for maximum skin benefits. DIY remedy to fade existing age spots. Want a natural, effective way to reduce age spots? Try this simple DIY mask using just 2 kitchen ingredients: baking soda and lemon juice. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of lemon juice to create a paste. Apply directly to age spots. Leave on for 10–15 minutes, then rinse. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Pro tip: since lemon juice increases sun sensitivity, always apply sunscreen after using this treatment. Conclusion. Final thoughts. Zinc is a game changer for your skin. By ensuring you get enough zinc-rich foods and supporting it with natural remedies, you can reduce age spots, boost collagen, and achieve radiant skin naturally. Have you tried zinc for skin health? What are your favorite natural remedies for age spots? Share in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. For more anti-aging and skincare tips, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family who need this information. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful health tips and updates. Your support is important for us to continue providing valuable content. You can also show appreciation and support for our work by clicking the join and thanks buttons below the video with a small token. Your journey to better health is a shared one, and together, we can uplift each other towards wellness and a life full of movement and joy. Remember that your body is capable of remarkable healing given the chance and the right support. Treat it with care, patience, and love. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.